If you see anything moving in this room, please don't comment because Shiro isn't in my room, so there shouldn't be any reason for anything to be moving. Yeah. What's up everyone, it's Maggie with an X and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing something revolutionary. This wasn't planned. I did plan to do a blue smoky eye for this video, but I didn't plan to do a blue blush. If you remember my very first YouTube video, I said, this should be a thing. I should start the trend. Blue blush. So I thought, I finally should start this trend.
No ma'am. No ma'am.
You know, I've never seen a makeup look where people would just do blue blush casually. And I thought, wait, if makeup has no rules, blush can be any kind of color. Girl, this is everything. This makeup look will ultimately be done with this one color bobbing along. So my eyes, my blush, actually there's only two. It's a very royal true blue color. Very pretty. I think I did something, honestly. Just to remind you guys that Black Lives Matter is still going on, and I always link the donations and petitions down in my description, so don't forget to check out my description for petitions as well as donations and videos where you can watch that will donate automatically. And if you guys want to learn how to create this makeup look, please keep on watching. I'm gonna start off with primer. For primer, I'll be using Hydrating+Perfecting primer. For foundation, I want to use Maybelline Femi foundation, but knowing it oxidizes.
What the fuck is that?
I'm going to mix it with Essence Fresh and Fit foundation. From Maybelline, my shade is 222 True Beige. For Essence, I'm using the shade Fresh Honey. Ugh, this eyebrow is always higher. I don't know why. Makeup tip time. This is a light color foundation and it's like thick, so it can act as concealer. Are they even? They are.
Bitch, is you blind?
I'm gonna put on contacts and I'll be right back. Also, can we acknowledge how good of a foundation match this is? Like, mixing those two foundations was the best decision I've made since this quarantine started, honestly. I'm gonna start with concealer on the eyelid. Done, we're done with this makeup look. While the concealer is wet, I'm gonna start working on it without setting it. Keep in mind that after I use the color that I'm currently showing, I'm going to regret it. So yeah, there's that. Wow, there's barely any color. So the outline that I am personally going for is a wing. I know it's like buildable, but like it doesn't go much further than this. Now I'm going in with this color. It looks royal blue. Ooh, damn, that's really pretty. Would you blend it out with the previous brush? Makeup tip time. I am constantly changing back and forth with the two brushes, one to pack on color and one to blend out the color. So you should be using two different brushes for this process. You can use a flat brush to create a line that you can follow, which is what I'm going to do. Using bobbing along this color, this dark blue, I'm gonna create a line, like an outline, basically. I'm gonna do the same thing on this eye so that they're... This trick can also be used when you're trying to make your smoky eye as even as possible for both eyes. Now I know where to blend it to and how far I should go with it. Knowing that I'm going to wear big false lashes, the lashes will cover my makeup look, so I'm gonna make the dark blue a little higher. Blue and black eyeshadows are one of the hardest colors to blend, so you just have to be really patient and have the right blue color. Makeup tip time. If you don't want fallout on your cheeks, you can clearly see that there's not even a speck of fallout. To be able to master the no fallout makeup, what you do is, even if you're using black eyeshadow, dark blue, bright red, it doesn't matter. You tap in your eyeshadow, and then what you do is, do you see how much eyeshadow it comes off? Tap it off, and you can pack. Don't blend it yet, just pack. If you want your eyeshadow to look the most powerful and you don't want to tap off, it still works. Just packing the eyeshadow off will save your life. So this step is completely optional, but I like to have my smoky eye very clean and crisp, so I'm using foundation to clean them up. Now I'm gonna do the bottom eyelid. If you see anything moving in this room, please don't comment because Shiro isn't in my room, so there shouldn't be any reason for anything to be moving. Yeah. You may think that I'm wearing the same shirt from my previous video, because I am.
Fuck you.
Now I'm going to curl my lashes, put on mascara, and put on a pair of lashes. These lashes are from Super Rare Cosmetics in the style Manisenda. If you want to learn how to put on false lashes, how to cut them, how to make them feel comfortable on your eyes, I will link the video up here. Today I'm gonna put on a nude. I'll use Mirror in Paradise water-based face paint in dark brown. It smells like chocolate. I now have the biggest urge to put blue blush on. Like I said in my first ever YouTube video, I might make blue blush a thing. I'ma do it. Highlighter time. Girl, I want people to see their reflection on my cheeks. Ooh, yes. I think this is the finished look. This is everything. Honestly, I think I did something. If you love it, thank you. If you don't like it, I don't really care. So yeah, As always, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and if you have any questions, concerns, you can comment them down below. And if you want to see more of these kind of videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And with that, thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you guys later. Bye!